Mistplay units usually disappear after an update because the app hasn't finished resyncing your account data with its server, or the new version temporarily loads a cached balance instead of your real one. By the end of this, you'll know how to restore missing units safely without losing progress or triggering another sync error. First thing is forcing a full account refresh inside the app. Open Mistplay. Go to your profile, and log out completely. Close the app fully, not just minimize it. Then reopen it and log back in using the same account method you originally used, like Google or email. This forces Mistplay to pull your latest unit balance directly from the server instead of your device cache. Next step is clearing the app cache at the system level. Go to Settings, Open Apps, find Mistplay, then Storage, and tap Clear Cache. Do not tap Clear Data unless you are ready to re-login and resync everything from scratch. Cached files often store outdated balance snapshots after updates, which makes units look missing even when they are still on your account. If units are still missing, check whether the update reset your region or account session. Some updates briefly switch server routing, which can make your account load a fresh profile with 0 units. Switching networks often forces a recheck. Try toggling between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then reopen the app. Another issue is delayed server sync after gameplay. If you earned units right before updating, the transaction may still be processing. Wait a few hours, then open Mistplay again, and let it sit on the home screen for a minute, so it can fully sync background data. Also check if you are logged into the correct account. After updates, some users accidentally log into a secondary Google or email profile, which shows a different unit balance. Verify your login method matches the one used before the update. If nothing updates, reinstalling the app is the final reset step. Uninstall Mistplay, restart your phone, then reinstall it from the Play Store and log back in. This forces a clean rebuild of all local data while keeping your account history intact on the server. To sum it up, missing units after an update usually come from cache conflicts, delayed server syncing, or logging into the wrong account after the update. Fix those 3 areas first before assuming your units are gone. If your balance comes back after syncing, keep the app updated but always reopen it once after updates to let it fully resync. Subscribe for more Mistplay fix guides that solve specific errors without risking your rewards.